Section 24, MySQL join with where clause. In last section 23, we learn about the syntax of the join and advantages of join. So here in this section, basically we will focus on the join command with where clause. So after joining the table with join clause, if we want to filter result and data further on the basis of some condition, then we can use where clause. So here is the syntax for where clause. Join with where clause. Select column list from table 1, join table 2 on join condition, right? And on join condition where condition. Okay, so after joining the two tables into one using join clause, we can give filter further our data using where clause. Okay, so let's do few example on the basis of this where clause. Let's suppose we want to create a report of employee containing below column, but basic should be greater than 1000. Okay, now suppose I in the final result I want employee number, first name, last name, and basic salary only for those employees whose basic is greater than 10,000. Okay, if we don't, if we want to display salary of the basic salary of all the employees, then we write the query like this, which I have highlighted here. But further I want to filter only those record whose basic is greater than 5,000. So as you notice here, I have used where clause, but that is after own clause. Okay, so we can further filter our data from the result data using where clause. So let's execute this query in MySQL Workbench and check the result. Okay, right? So earlier we have written query like this. Okay, so here you can see it showing all the record basic of the all the basic and HRA of all the records. So it's returning the 12 rows. Now I want to further filter my data based on the condition on basic salary. So I we have written query like this. Up till here the query is same like the first example. Only thing is here I have given the condition using where clause. So let's learn this, run this query and see the see. Now this time it's showing only those record whose basic greater than 10,000. Okay, it's not showing all the employee, and in final result set it's showing only 5 rows, 5 records, whereas we have 12 records. Out of that, 5 records satisfying the condition. So like this we can give condition using where clause. Let's do another example so that we become more familiar. Another example is list of employee from sales department who have taken the leaves for sales department. We need to display those employees from sales department who have taken the leaves. So as I show you in the beginning, we have another table, employee leaves, where we keep the record of uh, leaves taken by the employee. Okay, now we need to display only those records of the those employees from the leaves table which belongs to sales department. So what will be our query? Let's get at the bottom. Where is, yeah, where is section 24, section 24. Okay, so our query will be like this. Okay, select employee number, first name, leaves taken column found in the employee leaves table, from employee details as ed, join employee leaves as el. I am giving short name to employee leave as el. On condition would be ed dot amp number equal to el dot amp number, where department equal to sales. So here also we are joining two tables based on common column amp number. Okay, so let's execute this query. Let's execute in the new tab. Okay, so I'm copy pasting here. Okay, this is my query. Okay, so let me first show you the records from the employee leaves table. Employee leaves leaves. Select star from employee leaves. Okay, same color. So let's see how many records are present here. So there are 6 rows. So 6 employees have taken the leave. Out of that, we want to check how many belongs to sales department using this query. So let's run this. Unknown column el dot leaves taken. Sorry, here it should be total leaves taken. Let's run this. Let's display department as well, so that we verify the result. Department will come from this employee detail table. So I have written ed dot department. Let's run this. Error code, unknown column, sales. Okay, here because of quotes it's giving error. Let's run this again. See, it's showing only 5 record. There are 5 employees who have taken leaves in sales department. Okay, so let's come back to the description sheet. So this we have done. Okay, let's do one more example based on that. Suppose we want to find the salary of the IT department employees. Okay, so how we can do? Here up till here the query we have written. Only thing is, instead of ed is equal to sales, we can write ed department is equal to it, and table name is employee salary instead of employee leaves, because we want basic. This time we don't want leaves information, we want salary information of those employee who belongs to it department. Okay, let's execute this query. See, so as we want information only from employee detail and employee salary, no information employee leave. So I have given second table as employee salary, right? And this time I want only IT department records, unknown column IT. See, it's showing only, this time it's showing only basic salary of the IT department. Okay, so in this section we have learned how to use where clause with join command. We further learn how to filter the data from the resultant using the where clause based on the different table condition. Thank you, bye bye. So you practice this. In the next section we will learn MySQL join with group by clause. Thank you, bye.